Welcome back to Battlezone, the home of the world's most powerful machines. Today, we're diving deep into the new 2025 BMW S1000RR, a superbike that's not just fast, it's ferocious. The 2025 model takes everything BMW has learned from the racetrack and turns it into a road-legal missile. Get ready, because this one's going to blow your mind. Design evolution. Let's start with what you'll notice first, the design. E2025 BMW S1000RR looks sharper, sleeker, and more aggressive than ever before. BMW has refined its aerodynamics, giving the fairings a cleaner, race-inspired profile. The front end now features integrated winglets, designed to improve downforce and stability at high speeds. These aren't just for show, they produce up to 17 kilograms of downforce at top speed, keeping the bike glued to the tarmac. The iconic asymmetrical headlights, gone. In their place are slimmer LED projectors that look futuristic and balanced, giving the S1000RR a stealthy and uniform face. The overall styling screams performance. From the sculpted tank to the razor-sharp tail section, every curve is designed to cut through air like a blade. Engine and performance. Underneath that stunning bodywork lies the heart of a beast, the legendary 999cc inline-4 engine. But this isn't just any engine. For 2025, BMW has fine-tuned its shift cam technology, which dynamically adjusts valve timing and lift for optimal performance at all RPM ranges. The result? A jaw-dropping 210 horsepower at 13,500 RPM and 114 Nm of torque. That's more than enough to rocket you from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.8 seconds. But numbers only tell half the story. What makes the S1000RR so addictive is its smooth yet explosive power delivery. BMW engineers have worked on balancing mid-range punch with top-end fury, making it just as thrilling on mountain roads as it is on the track. The gearbox now features shorter gear ratios, delivering sharper acceleration in the first 3 gears. Combined with a lightweight titanium exhaust system, the engine not only performs better, it sounds absolutely savage. Electronics and rider aids. In typical BMW fashion, the S1000RR is loaded with cutting-edge electronics that put it miles ahead of most competitors. You get the latest generation 6-axis IMU, managing traction control, wheelie control, engine braking, and cornering ABS with surgical precision. There are 5 standard riding modes: Rain, Road, Dynamic, Race, and Race Pro, each offering different levels of throttle response and power delivery. But the magic lies in the Race Pro customization, which lets you fine-tune almost every parameter: throttle maps, engine braking, wheelie control, and even suspension damping. The Dynamic Damping Control (DDC) has also been upgraded, reacting faster than ever to road conditions. Whether you're hitting a bumpy backroad or carving corners on a track, the bike adapts instantly for maximum grip and comfort. A new slide control feature allows controlled rear wheel slides during aggressive cornering, something pro riders will absolutely love. Chassis and handling. When it comes to handling, BMW has always been a step ahead, and the 2025 S1000RR proves it once again. The bike uses a lightweight aluminum twin spar frame, optimized for rigidity and flexibility. BMW has subtly adjusted the steering geometry for better front-end feel and sharper cornering stability. A major update for 2025 is the revised swingarm, inspired directly by BM's World SBK race bike. It's lighter and offers better traction out of corners. Combined with the adjustable suspension setup, the S1000RR now feels more planted yet more playful than before. At just 193 kilograms, the 2025 model is lighter by almost 2 kilograms compared to its predecessor. The weight savings come from a new forged wheel option, lightweight battery, and magnesium components. In corners, the bike feels telepathic. You think it, and it turns. The level of feedback from the front end gives riders supreme confidence, whether they're at track speed or just enjoying a weekend ride. Braking system. Power is nothing without control, and BMW ensures the S1000RR stops as well as it goes. The braking setup includes twin 320mm discs at the front with radial mount calipers and a single 220mm disc at the rear. The system is backed by BMW's latest ABS Pro, which offers lean angle sensitivity. That means you can brake hard while leaned over without upsetting the balance of the bike. A new race ABS calibration allows riders to brake deeper into corners with more confidence, mimicking race spec performance. Technology and display. Inside the cockpit, the 2025 S1000RR gives you a full digital experience. The 6.5-inch TFT display remains, but the interface has been upgraded for better clarity and usability. It now supports Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and live telemetry for track sessions. You can monitor lean angles, lap times, throttle position, and much more. BMW's Connected Ride app also integrates seamlessly, turning your phone into a secondary dashboard. New handlebar controls make switching between modes and menus quicker, and the multi-controller wheel on the left grip is smoother and more intuitive than ever. Aerodynamics and stability. BMW didn't just focus on raw speed, they worked tirelessly on aerodynamics. Those integrated winglets aren't just cosmetic, they're functional race-bred components. At speeds over 200 km/h, they generate significant downforce, improving stability and preventing front-wheel lift during hard acceleration. Combined with a redesigned windscreen and body flow channels, the bike slices through air with reduced drag. Even at top speed, around 303 km/h, 188 mph, the S1000RR remains remarkably stable. Comfort and ergonomics. While the S1000RR is built for speed, BMW has not forgotten about rider comfort. The 2025 model gets adjustable rear sets, a slightly reworked seat padding, and improved heat management from the engine area. The handlebar position is sporty but not extreme, making it more comfortable for longer rides. The fuel tank design offers excellent knee grip, allowing better control and comfort in both street and track situations. For touring riders, optional accessories include a comfort seat, heated grips, and cruise control, yes, even on a superbike this fast. Sound and exhaust. One of the most thrilling aspects of the S1000RR is its sound. The new titanium exhaust system, developed with Akrapovic, not only reduces weight but produces an intoxicating growl. At idle, it's a purr. Open the throttle, and it roars with a sharp, metallic scream that echoes pure adrenaline. BMW has managed to make it Euro 5 Plus compliant without sacrificing the emotional, high-revving tone that riders crave. Customization and variants. BMW knows that riders love to personalize their machines. The 2025 S1000RR comes in several stunning color options, including Racing Red, Black Storm Metallic, and Light White with M Motorsport graphics. For hardcore enthusiasts, the M package adds carbon fiber wheels, M endurance chain, lightweight battery, and a sports seat, taking the bike to another level of performance. And if you want the ultimate version, the S1000RR Competition offers everything BMW can possibly throw at a superbike, from carbon fairings to data logging, track mapping, and more.